Let me show you how to effectively use your keyboard in Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So first of all, we'll need to open our keyboard, and we can do it by selecting Google Play Store and then this loop icon. So here we have our keyboard. And now to actually use it, first thing you need to do is swipe up like this, which will show you plenty of options. And first one on the left right here is a microphone, which allows you to actually speak anything, and then it will translate to the text, as you can see. Next thing that we can do is do the drawing text, so you can draw letters like, for example, A. Then we can go with P and etc. And next thing is the emojis, so you can type in any emojis from those categories right here. Then there's ABC, which is your standard keyboard. And finally we have special signs and numbers. And there's also your keyboard settings right here, which you can change input languages if your, for example, keyboard is misplaced, or you can go for the voice typing and then change that language as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.